Hello student, now in this video we will discuss about the next question 4. Explain the following giving example. First, a saturated solution. A solution that has dissolved as much solute as it is capable of dissolving. No more solute can be dissolved at that given temperature. For example, 1000 gram of solvent can dissolve a maximum of 200 gram of a particular solute at 50 degrees Celsius. Then the solution obtained by dissolving 200 gram of that solute in 1000 gram of that solvent at 50 degrees Celsius is said to be a saturated solution at 50 degrees Celsius. Next is pure substance. The substance consisting of a single type of particle, that means all constituent particles of the substance have the same chemical properties. For example, salt, sugar, ice and pure substances. C. Colloids. A colloid is a heterogeneous mixture. A colloid is a heterogeneous mixture. The size of particles of a colloid is too small to be individually seen by naked eyes. Colloids are big enough to scatter a beam of light passing through it and make its path visible. They do not settle down when left undisturbed, that is, a colloid is quite stable. They cannot be separated from mixture by process of filtration, but a special technique of separation known as centrifugation can be used to separate the colloid particles. Next, 5 examples of colloids are milk, butter, foam, fog, smoke. Next is D. Suspension. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. The particle of a suspension can be seen by the naked eye. The particle of a suspension scatters a beam of light passing through it and make its path visible. The solute particles settle down when a suspension is left undisturbed, that is, a suspension is unstable. They can be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration. When the particles settle down and suspensions become breaks and it does not scatter light. 5 examples of suspensions are mixtures of chalk, powder and water, wheat flour and water. Question 5. Classify each of the following as a homogeneous or heterogeneous mixtures. यहाँ पे कुछ सब्सटेंस की नेम दिए हैं, फॉर जैसे सोडा वाटर, वुड, एयर, सॉइल, विनेगर एंड फिल्ट्रेट टी. सो हमें इन्हें क्लासीफाइड करना है. फर्स्ट, होमोजेनस मिक्सचर. द होमोजेनस मिक्सचर्स आर सोडा वाटर, एयर, विनेगर, filtered tea. And the heterogeneous mixtures are wood and soil. The homogeneous mixtures are soda water, air, vinegar and filtered tea. And the heterogeneous mixtures are wood and oil. Next, how would you confirm that a colorless liquid given to you is pure water? The answer is every pure liquid has a characteristic boiling point. Pure water has a boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius at 1 atmospheric pressure. If the given colorless liquid boils exactly at 100 degrees Celsius, then the given liquid is pure water. It is boils at even slightly above or below 100 degrees Celsius. Then the given liquid is not pure water. Thus, by observing the boiling point, we can confirm whether a given colorless liquid is pure water or not.